This tool will activate the optical power meter in the analyzer. We must select the wavelength to be measured, and measurements will be shown on screen, in numerical form as well as in bar form. In the upper left area, we see the total optical power received in the selected wavelength. In the upper right area, we see the RF power received after the selected wavelength has been converted to RF by the internal Optical-To-RF converter. This RF signal can be then analyzed from the spectrum analyzer mode in the fiber section. The converter delivers an RF signal in the band from 45 to 1700 MHz. Finally, in the low part of the screen, we can find the power relative to a previously chosen reference. By pressing the reference button, we can use as a reference the signal we are receiving at this very moment, before we move to another location in the network to take more measurements. From the Preferences menu, we can define several optical thresholds, which will be showing over the optical power level bars after they are selected. We can define as many as 8 optical thresholds. From this mode, we can launch a datalogger 2, which will store all the optical power level measurements taken over every wavelength in the current location.